Hi everyone, Toni here from Scrap Crazy with Toni, bringing you some cards today from Twitchit Craft Kits using the kit that is now available called Plant Lady. So it's using some Eco Park papers, a really fun stencil by Cartabella. Tabitha has a great eye in design and putting these together for us. This is a brand new kit out. Tabitha was really generous in letting me have a bit of a play with it. And so I just thought I'd bring you a couple of cards today. Nice and simple cards that just have a little bit of a twist and a little bit extra. You know, they're interactive in a certain way. So that one's a double opening window, but you also have a pocket. So you can add a gift card, you know, maybe to a gardening store, or even just a little packet of seeds in there. So the red is called Hanging Plants, the red dots with hanging plants. On top, I've used a 3x4 journaling card. Now, in your kit, you'll actually get a full 12x12 sheet of 3x4 journaling tags, or cards, or whatever they're called. The next bit is, what's that one called? Green Thumb. That's called Green Thumb, so that is the back side of Green Thumb. And of course, I've put in a matted that with some blue. The same as the bottom, I've matted with blue. And I have added some washi tape. So there we go. It's really nice and simple. Really easy card to put together. And then this one is a little bit different. I normally wouldn't go for, you know, making a card or a project with that design on it. But I'm so glad I did, because it's really, really works. And I love it. I'm really, really happy with the finished project. So it's off greenery, and again, it's just all about the layers. So I loved adding a little belt on this as well, and there's with the same greenery paper. It's just the B side. So the belt is 1.5 inches by 12, and I just made sure that it's stuck on there. I just add a couple of little tags in there to make it a little arrow, just so it all stands out. And that again is a 3x4 journaling card from that 12x12 piece. This is the double window, whatever you call that. And again, it's all about the matting. So I matted the bottom with, I did like this whole card just with this one piece. So the greenery, the green side matting up there, and then flip it over, and there's our pattern layer. So on the bottom, that green layer is 2 5/4 by 2 5/8, sorry, by 4 1/8. Okay, and then which makes our pattern layer on top really simple at 2.5 by 4. Such a simple increment on top, but you can make that matting to suit yourself. So simple and so easy. And I just finished it off by throwing some little bling dots on there, some pearl dots, and now it doesn't want to go in. There we go. And it's just really simple and easy, and it's just interactive. I love that they're interactive. Alrighty, so if you make some projects using these kits, anything from Twitchit Craft Kits, but if you make anything with the Plant Lady kit, please do let us know. Share it with us, and we'd love to see.